Hello everyone, let us talk about the Phillips curve. The Phillips curve was established by A.W. Phillips, so it is named after A.W. Phillips. It states that inflation and unemployment have a stable and inverse relationship. Inverse meaning to say negative. According to the theory, economic growth leads to inflation, which leads to more jobs and lower unemployment. So what it means is that the more the economy grows, the lower the unemployment. But then, unfortunately, it leads to the increase in prices. That's inflation. It is a graph that depicts the relationship between inflation rate and unemployment rate. So we have the Phillips curve here. And there is a question that we need to answer. The question reads, with the aid of the Phillips curve, explain the relationship between inflation and unemployment. 10 marks. The first point that you should mention after drawing the Phillips curve is when unemployment rate is 100%, inflation is 0. You get yourself 2 marks. This is where unemployment rate is 100%, and we see that the inflation is 0. So what it means is that when there's no one working, then there's no inflation at all. When the inflation rate is high, for example, at 7%, unemployment rate is very low. When inflation rate is high, that is at 7%, the unemployment rate is 2%. When inflation rate falls to 3%, unemployment rate increases to 5%. So the lower the inflation rate, the higher the unemployment rate. The lower the unemployment rate, the higher the inflation. Please note that you get 6 marks from explaining the relationship. But since the question is saying with the aid of the Phillips curve, explain the relationship, it means that you have to draw the Phillips curve. By drawing the Phillips curve, you get 1 mark. You also get a mark for labeling any one of the points or both. You also get another mark for being able to draw the vertical axis and label it, and another mark for drawing the horizontal axis and labeling it. Thank you for watching, and don't miss the next lesson. Goodbye.